Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Tesla Model 3 look better. Let's start with some easy exterior upgrades. A front lip spoiler can give your car a more aggressive and sporty appearance. Upgrading your wheel covers or investing in new rims can dramatically change the side profile. For a lasting shine and paint protection, a ceramic coating is an excellent choice. Finally, a subtle rear spoiler not only adds style, but can also improve aerodynamics. Now, let's move inside and elevate your Model 3's cabin. Custom floor mats are a simple yet effective way to personalize your interior and keep it tidy. A screen protector for your central display will reduce glare and protect against everyday wear. For a more luxurious feel, consider upgrading your interior lighting with subtle LED strips. Carbon fiber dashboard wraps can also add a premium, sporty touch to your driving experience. Next, let's explore some performance and aesthetic modifications. Lowering springs can drop your Model 3 by about 1 inch, giving it a more aggressive stance and improved handling. Upgrading your brake caliper covers with a vibrant color adds a cool, custom detail. A rear diffuser can enhance the car's aerodynamics and give the back a more finished look. Finally, window tint provides privacy and a sleek, unified exterior. To ensure your Model 3 always looks its best, consistent maintenance is key. Regular washing and waxing will protect your paint and keep it shining brightly. Cleaning your interior weekly helps maintain a fresh and inviting cabin for you and your passengers. Don't forget to inspect your tires and wheels for dirt and brake dust buildup. Using a car cover when parked outdoors for extended periods offers excellent protection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.